Hi guys, Sheena here from Atlas Online Solutions. I just wanted to stop in today and talk about what you call yourself. All right, do you call yourself a digital marketer, marketing and advertising company, agency, things like that? And the reason why changing what you call yourself can change how many clients you get, how quickly you get them, and the effectiveness of what you do in your prospecting methods, okay? So I encourage you to take a second and think about if you were to have 10, 15 people in a room, all right? And you were to say to them, tell me what a marketer is. Most of them are going to give you a different answer, depending on the experiences that they've had with marketers, advertising companies, and things like that. And that difference in opinion, that ambiguous, I can't even say that word today. The unclearness that comes from what a marketer is often puts a bit of a stumbling block when it comes to prospecting, getting and closing clients. Okay. And sometimes with even keeping them, because they're going to hear something different and like, that's what I need. I don't need a marketer. I need that. All right. So if you're sitting here and you're like, yes, I understand that they all think I'm different than what I am. What are you really? All right. Now, some of us take it, these are our service offerings. So like I focus mostly on SEO or Facebook ads or social media management or content or, and then we create a title out of that. Do you think maybe if you were to come across in a more holistic way and say, what I do is business growth. Okay. So what I do whenever I'm talking to people is I say, look, guys, I'm a funnel strategist, or I'm a marketing specialist, or I'm this, but you should go further. Okay. So you should say, I'm a business growth specialist. I'm a business growth consultant. Consultant can sometimes have the same thing. But if you position yourself around business growth, you're going to get more responses. Now, if you're sitting there going, it's just not what you're talking about, it makes sense, okay? A business is going to come to you with their baby. They have put blood, sweat, tears, hours and hours of agony into it, their hopes, their dreams, everything. Everything is wrapped up into this business, okay? And they're going to come to you and they might tell you, look, I need lead gen, right? I need more clients. But when you dive a little bit deeper, and I'll teach you how to do that in a sales process later on, when you dive a little deeper, you're going to find that often they need a lot more than that. I mean, and even if you do fulfill that, once I've got this influx of leads, they don't always have the infrastructure and everything else put in place to handle that kind of increase in revenue. So, one, you're going to position your marketing plan to be holistic and cover everything, because we know that it works better if you're using more than one thing. We know that Google Ads is going to work better if they have better content. We know that SEO is going to work better if they have an optimized website. We know that these things move together, okay? So if you were to offer listings, backlinks, SEO, lead generation, Google Business Profile building, optimization, landing page building, websites, geofencing, social media marketing, SMS marketing, email marketing, newsletters, social media building and optimization, content strategies, reputation management, review management, missed call automations, branding, business consulting, sales training, recruitment. If you were to offer everything that a business owner could ever need, then you are truly there to support their growth, and not just to get them growing, to support them as they grow. Okay? So today, my little tip for you is just to challenge your way of thinking. All right? Are you a marketer or are you a business growth consultant? Because if you're a business growth consultant, you want to find that the clients that come to you are higher quality and are going to stick around for much longer and respond to your prospecting methods much more often. Okay, that's all for today. I'm only here really, really short time because I got quite a few things going on inside my agency, but I wanted to drop in and say hi. Until next week.